Hello fellow food enthusiasts. Today I will be sharing you the secret to preparing the true masterpiece of Italian cuisine, authentic Bolognese sauce. In Italian it is known as Ragu alla Bolognese. It is a very simple meat-based sauce in Italian cuisine, typical of the city of Bologna. So let's find out how to make this delicious authentic Bolognese sauce.
First, let's gather our vegetables. Half cup of diced carrots, half cup of diced onions, and half cup of diced celery. These aromatic ingredients will form the base of our sauce, infusing it with incredible flavor. Heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. This will help release all the natural flavors and aromas from the vegetables. Now add the diced vegetables to the pot. Stir them until they become soft and golden. This process known as mirpua, or in Italian it is called sofrito. It is the foundation of many classic Italian recipes. Now add some salt, but be careful not adding too much salt, and give it a good saute. Next, let's introduce our star ingredient, ground meats. Add 500 grams of medium ground beef and 500 grams of ground pork to the pot. Breaking it apart with a spatula as you go. And continue sauteing it and cook the meat until it browns. Now it's time to enhance the richness of our sauce. Add about 12 ounces of red wine to the pot. And give a good stir. If you don't have red wine, you can also add good white wine. Then let it simmer for few minutes, allowing the alcohol to evaporate while the flavor intensify. To create a vibrant tomato-based foundation of our bolognese, add a cup of tomato puree and a cup of tomato passata into the pot. This will bring a lovely balance of acidity and sweetness. Again, give a good stir until combined. Now it's time to add an aromatic touch to our sauce. Drop couple of bay leaves to the pot. This will take our bolognese to a whole new level of deliciousness. Cover the pot, reduce the heat, and let the sauce simmer gently until the liquid evaporates. Stir it occasionally to avoid burning on the bottom. As the liquid evaporates, add a cup of water and continue simmering to allow the flavors to marinate harmoniously, resulting in a deep, rich and flavorful bolognese sauce. From now on, we will not use the lid. As the liquid evaporates, keep on adding a cup of water at a time. We have to cook the sauce at least 4 hours. Later, when you try it, you will know it was worth every minute. Our sauce is almost ready. Now we will add a cup of milk. Richness and sweetness from the milk, acidity from the tomatoes will balance the flavor of this delicious sauce. Now let's remove the bay leaves from the sauce. It's mission accomplished. Thank you bay leaves for your amazing flavor. And continue simmering until get the right consistency. Now add some ground black pepper and check the salt and add it if it is necessary. After 4 hours of cooking, there you have it, our authentic and delicious Bolognese sauce. I cooked some tagliatelle pasta, which is a good combination with the Bolognese sauce. Serve this delicious sauce over your pasta and top it with a freshly grated pecorino cheese. It is a taste of Italy right in your own kitchen. Now let's taste it. It is incredibly delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for joining me today to master the art of Italian cuisine. I hope you enjoy this authentic Bolognese recipe as I do. Please tap the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Rocking Rob for more delectable recipes. Buon appetito! Ciao!